life goes on, I'm starting to learn more and more about responsibility. And I realize that everything I do is affecting the people around me. So I want to take this time out to apologize for things that I've done and things that haven't occurred yet, and things that they don't want to take responsibility for.
Y'all know the name, DJ Vegas, you heard?
Faatali, lenu o faatali. I faila ava ayalu alu leto fetawi. Lenu o faatali, ayole faatali. Be one oi amo moi amo le sami. Na na.
Baby, just show you what kind of love I can always give. I waited so long for you, baby, you're making me wait all day. Ain't no other girl that I want. You're just you and me right from the start. Just one chance to be your man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To be your man.
Faatali, lenu o faatali. Faila ava ayalu alu leto fetawi. Lenu o faatali, ayole faatali. Be one oi amo moi amo le sami. Na na.
Oi ai panga o le ngei wale kaulau. Sa o whakali e peka i kele i sau. Ngā kufesiri i lo loko pe ai sea. Pe mafua o ngā oha o sau mai kua. Po lawa ai o lava lava e pala pala. Ai o ngai ngofo le whale o sia uka maa. O a uka ale o whale wavenga o e ai. O aso o mai le Facebook e ngā o low life. Ai au vidi aku ai le ai so kali mai, but that's alright. Vai le ngu i le fia iai.
Fai mai o manu le fela.